Raikkonen found himself in a McLaren sandwich. The start was crucial if he was to keep Lewis at bay and help his teammate, who was stuck down in 5th. Singapore winner Alonso managed 4th, Kubica 6th, with the Toyotas and Toro Rossos rounding up the top 10. Kimi's eyes were locked onto his target, but Lewis focused firmly on turn 1. Hamilton did not get a good start and Raikkonen easily got the jump on him. Lewis would not accept defeat. He locked up and flat spotted his tyre, sending him and several others wide at turn 1. Kubica and Alonso saw an opportunity and swooped into the lead. Another slip up from Hamilton lost him 4 more places. It was a first lap disaster. Some bumping and grinding the coolpad left his suspension damaged and got him into trouble with Nakajima. The Japanese driver was lucky to avoid a second hit when the Red Bull lost control. And DC miraculously escaped without serious injury. The championship rivals found themselves battling on track, side by side, and it all got too much. Lewis waited to rejoin once everyone else had passed. The frustration was clear. His lock-up into turn 1 had cost him dear. He rejoined 18th, over 50 seconds behind, and was under investigation by the stewards. Raikkonen got off the grid well, but got caught up in the turn 1 mess and damaged his car. But that didn't stop him taking 4th from fully. His championship aspirations were all but gone, but his racing instinct still burned. There was no silver lining for Hamilton. A drive-through penalty for forcing Raikkonen off the track put him well out of contention. The stewards decided that he could not go unpunished. He wasn't the only one in trouble. Massa's move on Hamilton on the first lap landed him a drive-through penalty as well. Felipe was deemed to have caused an avoidable collision and paid the price. Mistakes by the top 2 benefited Alonso and Kubica.
Kubica is 5 laps longer. Kubica 5 laps longer. You need to sprint like hell, mate. Sprint like hell.
Fernando didn't need telling twice. He got ahead of Kubica at the first round of stops and knew that with clean air he could leave the BMW standing. Massa was doing his best to recover ground. By lap 50, a point finish looked possible. But a tangle with Bourdais as the Toro Rosso exited the pit left them both under investigation and Felipe back to front. Kubica's final set of tyres were graining badly and Kimi had reeled him in. But the BMW driver defended his position well from the outgoing world champion. Raikkonen couldn't find a way past and Robert wasn't letting him by. Piquet started 12th on a heavy fuel load but had quietly made his way up to 4th. Not even a little mistake in the closing stages could upset his rhythm. With his tyres back up to 4th, Kubica kept Kimi at bay. While the other Ferrari wanted to salvage something from Suzuki. With Hamilton 12th and a lap down, a points finish for Felipe would close the gap. Heidfeld's ninth place was high on his agenda. With only 2 laps to go, Mark Webber was his next victim. He used every single bit of track to take 8th from the Red Bull and earned himself a point. No one came close to stopping Alonso. Once he was given a chance of victory, he took it and ran. Luck might have played a part in Singapore, but Japan was down to the pace of the car and the driver behind the wheel. While Kubica punched well above his weight and slammed himself right back into contention for the championship.
Well done, mate. Fantastic drive, fantastic. 2 in a row.
Thank you, guys. Wow.
Alonso and Kubica kept their cool while others lost theirs, and the rewards were sweet.